How to change Gmail password if forgotten. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm gonna teach you how you can find Gmail password if forgotten. So before we begin with that, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's dive right into it. First step, open up your Gmail app. So if you're not logged in, you can just go ahead to log in. If you are logged in, tap on the top right corner on your profile icon, then tap on manage your Google account. After you tap on manage your Google account, you'll find different options. So what you'll have to do is you will need to simply go ahead and change your password. For that, you can go to security tab right here. On the security tab, you'll find password option. Tap on password. After you tap on password, let it load, and from here you will be able to change your password. So here again, if you were not logged in, all you had to do was go ahead to email and then try to log in, and you should be on this section. Then tap on forgot password. It's the same from this very step. So tap on change password, tap on continue, confirm that it's you from your Google account, and then simply change new password. So type in the new password right here and then confirm the new password from here and then tap on change password. After you do that, you will have changed your Google password if you have forgotten it. And that's basically it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos and bye bye.